Car heating systems work differently depending on your vehicle type. Internal combustion engines use waste heat from the engine, while electric vehicles use dedicated electric heaters. For internal combustion engines, start by turning on your engine and allowing it to warm up for 2 to 3 minutes. The engine coolant needs time to heat up before it can warm your cabin. Next, set your desired temperature. Most people find 68 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit comfortable. Use your vehicle's climate control panel to adjust the temperature setting. Adjust the fan speed starting with a low setting and increasing as needed. Higher fan speeds will circulate heated air faster throughout your cabin. Choose the appropriate air direction for your needs. Floor vents warm your feet and legs, dashboard vents provide upper body warmth, and defrost mode clears your windshield. For air recirculation, start with fresh air mode, then switch to recirculate for faster heating. Recirculating cabin air heats up more quickly than constantly heating cold outside air. Electric vehicles offer instant heating with no warm-up time needed. Use eco heating mode to conserve battery, precondition your cabin while charging, and engage heat pump mode in moderate climates for maximum efficiency. Remember these key points. ICE vehicles need warm-up time. Set a comfortable temperature around 68 to 72 degrees. Start with low fan speed. Use recirculation for faster heating. And EV owners should use eco mode to preserve battery range. Modern car heating systems have evolved dramatically from simple mechanical controls to sophisticated smart systems that learn and adapt to your preferences. Smart climate control systems use artificial intelligence to learn your preferences and automatically adjust heating based on external temperature, time of day, and occupancy patterns. Electric and hybrid vehicles increasingly use heat pump technology for more efficient cabin heating, reducing energy consumption by up to 40% compared to traditional resistive heating. Dual-zone climate control is now standard in most mid-range and luxury vehicles, allowing individual temperature settings for different areas of the car. Remote preconditioning via smartphone apps is now common, enabling you to warm the cabin before entering the vehicle, ensuring immediate comfort. Emerging technologies include radiant heating surfaces integrated into seats and steering wheels, and predictive climate control that anticipates your heating needs based on route and weather data.